Bonjour! Today I'm going to show you how to make this 3D broken stone effect on your letters in Procreate. In this tutorial, you will learn how to easily separate your letter into several pieces and how to add a stone pattern on top. All the resources I'm going to use, like this color palette and this letter, are available for free in the description just below this video. For this tutorial, I'm going to use the following canvas settings. First, we will set the background color, tap the color button, then drop this beige color from the color palette onto your canvas. Create a new layer. Tap the letter N next to your layer, then put the color dodge blend mode. Go to your brush library, airbrushing brush set, and select the soft brush. We are going to imagine that the light source is coming from the top left, so use your soft brush on the upper left side of your canvas. Now let's add the lettering. You can use my design or you can use any font you like. First, drop this orange color from the color palette. Go to the Actions menu. Canvas, enable Drawing Guide and tap Edit Drawing Guide. At the bottom, tap the Perspective mode. Then tap at the top left of your canvas to create a vanishing point. Tap Done at the top right. Now tap the selection tool icon and put it in freehand mode. Then select a portion of your letter following the perspective guide. In the freehand mode, tap on your screen to create straight lines. Now drag 3 fingers on your canvas to open the copy-paste menu. Then tap Cut and Paste. This part is now on a new layer. Tap on the original layer and repeat the same process. Use the selection tool in freehand mode to cut out large pieces of your letter. Now for each layer, tap the Transform tool, then reduce the size and rotate slightly each piece. By the way, you can now hide the perspective guide. Now, merge all your layers. Grab the selection tool and create smaller pieces of your letter. Let's now create the 3D effect. Duplicate your layer, select the bottom one, tap on it, then tap Alpha Lock, tap the color button, select this orange color and use your brush over all your letter, tap on the transformation tool and move your layer slightly down to the left, reduce the size also a little bit by using the top right node, disable Alpha Lock, tap the selection tool icon, set color fill, then connect the edges between the two layers. you can reduce the opacity of this layer to better see the edges. Create a new layer on top of this one, tap on it, then tap on Clipping Mask, tap the letter N next to your layer, then set the blend mode to add, tap the color button, select this color and use it at the top left of your letter, create a new layer above this one, tap on it, then tap Clipping Mask, then use your brush at the bottom right of your letter. Let's create a thin highlight. Duplicate this layer and select the bottom one. Go to the Adjustments menu and tap Hue, Saturation and Brightness. Set brightness to 65%. Tap Transformation Tool icon and move your layer slightly to the top right. Now let's add the stone pattern. First, create a new layer on top of your layers panel. Tap the letter N next to your layer, then set the overlay blend mode. tap the color button and select this black color. Go to your brush library, textures, and select the dove-like brush. Then use your brush slightly above your letter. For the finishing touches, create a new layer on top, tap the Actions menu, Add, copy canvas, then paste, go to the Adjustments menu, tap Sharpen, slide to adjust to 90%, go to the Adjustments menu again, tap Chromatic Aberration, slide to adjust to 3%, go back to the Adjustments menu one last time, tap Noise and slide to adjust to 9%. Et voilà! If you find this tutorial helpful, the best thing you can do to support me is to click on the like button and to subscribe to my channel for more lettering tutorials in Procreate. I'd like also to take this opportunity to tell you that if you want to get weekly tutorials, lettering brushes and color palettes directly to your inbox for free, you can join my newsletter thanks to the link available in the description. So, until the next one, bonsoir!